Enjoy and subscribe. Frob and Jasper head to Japan in Jasper's truck. And as you may not know, Jasper got a truck on his birthday from the previous year. That's because Frob heals him to ride like a horse, and Jasper sometimes doesn't feel like to run. That's why he needed a vehicle. Anyways, they are going eventually at Osamu Tezuka Company. Hello, sir! Can we please have Bagi and Rio?
Sorry, Frog and Teacher. You are not allowed to use our Bagi the Monster of My Nature brand. They are Osamu Tezuka's property, and if you guys piracy them, or anything with them, we will have you two, Hilda, Sliff, etc., all wiped out from existence.
Oh, come on, sir. We put a lots of efforts on making Bagi the Monster of My Nature too.
Okay, look, I understand you want to use our brand because you're both best friends with Bagi, but I can't allow you guys to use the brand under copyright circumstances.
Well, is there any way that we can get the brand without getting any trouble?
Maybe there is. If you guys get successful with money, then maybe you can have the brand. So leave now before you get wiped out.
Okay, fine. Well, sadly, not all the companies are like SAG, unfortunately. Hey, Frob and Jasper, how was the trip to Japan? Bagi, we don't have a good news.
We can get the rights to Bagi the Monster of My Nature.
Oh, okay. But don't worry, guys. We won't give up on getting it. Exactly, Bagi. For this reason, we will go to Brazil so we can talk to Marcio Arujo about this. Alright, so let's move out to the airport. Wait! You forgot about us! Ugh. It's alright, Hilda. They're probably in a hurry or something. Hello, Bagi, and my own characters, Frob and Jasper. So, how can I help you all? Marcio Arujo, we really need your help. We need to get the rights to Bagi the Monster of My Nature from Tezuka Productions. No worries, my favorite pink feline. Me and Weird Guy are on it. We will talk to Tezuka Productions so we don't get sued. Awesome!
明日を遮るガラスの壁を今砕くから日の当たる場所を見つけるのさ